Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Blink Mini 2 with the Blink Outdoor 4 and what are the things you need to know regarding the specs. So when we're gonna look here, so the type for Blink Outdoor 4, this is like wire-free smart, but Blink Mini 2 is a plug-in smart security camera. So if you're looking for wire-free or plug-in, then the battery life. So the Blink Outdoor 4 is 2 years with included AA lithium batteries, but with the Blink Mini 2 you're gonna have it as a plug-in. So audio, both got two-way, both got same video resolution, same photo resolution, field of view, and also frame rate. And the size, Blink Mini 2 is in smaller side. Then the weight is better again for Blink Mini 2. And then you're gonna have the power. So Blink Outdoor 4, you're gonna have it as a battery power for Wi-Fi setup, but here you're gonna have it plug-in for Blink Mini 2. So this is like the huge difference there. Then sync module compatibility. So you're gonna have both, but here you're gonna have like sync module 2 is you have to solve this separately. And then when you're gonna have like the smartphone requirements are the same, Blink app, and also including in the box, you have more things in the package for Blink Outdoor 4. But then you can have additional features. So you can have like dual zone motion, personal detection with optimal subscription, infrared to night vision, customizable activity zones. But with the Blink Mini 2 you can have night vision color with built-in spotlight, doorbell chime functionality, and it really depends what you like actually need for between these two. Just want to make this quick comparison. I hope it gave you a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.